Hello friends, welcome to Mysterious Tales X, where we explore the forgotten corners of the universe and uncover the secrets written in the dust of creation itself. Tonight's story takes us billions of years back in time, to an age when our solar system was young, wild, and violent, when planets were still forming, colliding, and being born out of chaos. And somewhere in that chaos, there existed a world. A mysterious, now lost planet called Theia. A planet that no longer exists. And yet, a planet that gave birth to our moon. The story of Theia begins nearly 4.5 billion years ago. Back then, Earth wasn't the calm blue world we know today. It was molten, glowing, and unstable. Its surface boiling with magma. Its atmosphere thick with toxic gas. And then, out of the cosmic darkness, came Theia. Scientists believe it was about the size of Mars, a young planet orbiting the sun, possibly sharing the same path as Earth. For a while, both worlds coexisted, but their dance was doomed. Gravity, that eternal sculptor of the cosmos, pulled them closer and closer, until one day they collided. It was an impact so massive, so catastrophic, that it reshaped both worlds forever. Theia slammed into Earth at nearly 40,000 kilometers per hour. Mountains vaporized, oceans boiled, and molten rock was thrown into space. The shockwave tore through both planets. A moment of cosmic destruction and creation combined. But from that fiery chaos, something beautiful was born. The debris, millions of tons of molten earth and Theia, began to swirl around our planet, forming a glowing ring of fire in the sky. Over time, that ring began to merge, piece by piece, into a single sphere. Our moon. Yes, the same moon we see every night. May be the child of two worlds. Half Earth, half Theia. Scientists call this the giant impact hypothesis, and it explains something extraordinary. Why the moon's rocks are so similar to Earth's mantle, yet just different enough to suggest they were once two separate bodies. But what happened to Theia after the collision? Did it completely disintegrate? Or did a part of it survive? Some theories suggest that Theia's core merged with Earth's, making our planet's metallic heart larger and more powerful than it should have been. In other words, Theia became part of us. Every time you look at the moon, you're not just looking at Earth's satellite. You're looking at the remains of a world that no longer exists. A world that died so that life could begin here. And yet, the mystery doesn't end there. Recent seismic data from NASA suggests there might still be massive dense structures deep within Earth's mantle. Two huge blobs of material buried thousands of kilometers below us. Some scientists think those could be Theia's remains, still hidden, still a part of Earth after billions of years. It's almost poetic that somewhere deep beneath our feet, the ghost of another world still sleeps, forever fused with our own. Without Theia, there would be no moon. And without the moon, Earth might never have developed tides, stable seasons, or even life itself. So in a way, we owe everything, our oceans, our nights, our very existence, to a planet that was destroyed before. Theia is gone, but her legacy shines every night, casting silver light across our skies, reminding us that creation often begins with destruction. So the next time you look at the moon, remember this. It's not just a rock in the sky. It's a grave and a monument, the final resting place of a lost planet, called Theia. If you enjoyed this cosmic mystery, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mysterious Tales X, where we uncover the forgotten stories of the universe. One star, one mystery at a time.